Welcome students, today we will start a new chapter for class 11th, Ranga's marriage. So here the chapter is based on the character Ranga. He is a village accountant's son who had just come back from Bangalore. At the news of his arrival, the villagers gather at his home to analyze if he had changed or not. What is his perception? What is thought about marriage? So everyone was very excited because during those days, not everyone used to get a chance to go cities for studying. This is very interesting chapter. So when you see this title, some of you may ask Ranga's marriage. Why not Ranganatha Viva or Ranganath Vijaya? Well, yes, I know I could have used some other mouth-filling one like Jagannath Vijay or Girija Kalyan. But then this is not about Jagannath's victory or Girija's wedding. It is about our own Ranga's marriage and hence no fancy title. Hosahalli is our village. You must have heard of it. No. What a pity. But it is not your fault. This is no mention of it any geography book. Those sahibs in England writing in English probably do not know that such place exists and so make no mention of it. Our own people too forget about it. You know how it is. They are like a flock of sheep. One sheep walks into pit, the rest blindly follow it. When both the sahibs in England and our own geographers have not referred to it, you cannot accept the poor cartographer to remember to put it on the map, can you? And so there is not even the shadow of our village or any map. Sorry, I started somewhere and then went off in another direction. If the state of Mysore is to Bharatvarsh what the sweet Karigadabu is to a festival meal, then Hosahalli is to a Mysore state what the filling is to the Karigadabu. What I have said is absolutely true. Believe me, I will not object to your questioning it, but I'll stick to my opinion. I am the only one who speaks glowingly of Hosahalli. We have a doctor in our place. His name is Gundabhatta. He agrees with me. He has been quite a few places. No, not England. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says no, Ananya. I have left that I've left that to you. Running around like a flea-plastered dog is not for me. I have seen a few places in my time, though as a matter of fact, he has seen many. We have some mango trees in our village. Come visit us, and I will give you a raw mango from one of them. Do not eat it; just take it a bite. The soreness is sure to go straight to your Brahman. I once took one such fruit at home and chutney was made out of it. All of us ate it. The cough we suffered from after that, it was when I went for the cough medicine that the doctor told me about the special quality of the fruit. Just as the mango is special, so is everything else around our village. We have a creeper growing in the ever so fine water of the village pond. Its flowers are the feast to behold. Get 2 leaves from the creeper when you go to the pond for your bath, and you will not have to worry about not having leaves on which to serve the afternoon meal. You will say I am rambling. It is always like that when the subject of our village comes up. But enough. If anyone of you would like to visit us, drop me a line. I'll let you know where Hosahalli is and what things are like here. The best way of getting to know place is to visit it. Don't you agree? What I am going to tell you is something that happened 10 years ago. We did not have many people who knew English. Then our village accountant was the first one who had won enough courage to send his son to Bangalore to study. It is different now. There are many who know English. During the holidays, you come across them on every street talking English. Those days we did not speak in English, nor did we bring in English words like talking in Kannada. What has happened in disgraceful, believe me. The other day I was in Rama Rao's house. When they bought a bundle of firewood, Rama Rao's son came out to pay for it. He asked the woman, how much should I give you? 4 paise, she said. The boy told her he did not have any change and asked her to come next month. The poor woman did not understand English word change and went away muttering to herself. I too did not know. Later, when I went to Ranga's house and asked him, I understood what it meant. So, we'll start from there. Explanation of this paragraph, one by one I'm taking. So here Vivaha refers to marriage, Vijaya means victory, Grija is a female here, and Kalyan is a beautiful, lovely, auspicious in Sanskrit, and Sahib is a address to a person. Fine. And cartographer is a person who draws or produce the maps. So the narrator here expects from us to be questioning the simplicity of the title Ranga's marriage. He feels maybe we might be thinking of fancier titles like Ranganath Vivaha, Ranganath Vijaya, Girija Kalyan. Then he clears that although he had options to keeping such big names, elaborate the names. The reason why he chose a basic and casual one is because the story is about our Ranga. That means his character, his famous character Ranga, as in someone who is very close and dear to him. Now, they live in a village. He talks about himself that they live in a village called Hosahalli in Mysore. And now he says that not many people know of it. The narrator does not blame them because there is no trace of it in geography books. Even the Englishmen have no idea about the place. But there are also to blame because their citizen also responsible for not telling the names to the cartographers or the person. Those are mentioning the name of the states in their maps. So he says even the Englishmen have no ideas about the place. They are also not to blame because they are citizens too. So they are completely ignorant. So he says that Englishmen are citizens. They are citizens also responsible. They never describe the state. That's why the area is not mentioned in the map as a before freedom I am talking about. So they are completely ignorant about this village. Though they completely ignored about the village. That refers to the people as sheep who blindly follow each other and do not use their logic or brain to justify the invention. So he says that our category of people just like a sheep. They blindly follow others. And they even do not know, they do not like to share anything to anyone. At last, writer feels the cartographer, he also not responsible. That's the reason why there is no trace of their village on the map. Now he says he feels very means sorry for getting carried away or deviating from the topic. He then throws light upon the importance of the village of Hosahalli, and he said it is just important as Mysore is a part of India. Karigadabu is the festival meal and filling is Karigadabu. So he said it's very important of Mysore, his Hosahalli village. So he cannot highlight his importance anymore. He said not only him, but a doctor named Gunda Bhatta feels the same. Now he talks about the character Gunda Bhatta. He says the doctor has been to many places except England, and he still loves Hosahalli village. However, if any outsider comes and asks from where you come from, so he never mentions his village name. That's why, though he is a very famous doctor, but his village name not got too much famous, and he stick to his opinion of this place. Now he talks about the importance of Hosahalli village. He says that there is a special mangoes in the trees, whose mangoes are famous for the special quality. First he talks about the mangoes. There's very special quality. Once you take the fruit at home to make chutney, and everyone would suffer from a bad cough after eating it. So he says that it was only when he went to see the doctor. He says that if you eat it raw or make it chutney, fine. So once you take a fruit from home and to make a chutney, and everyone then if anyone would eat it, then they would definitely suffer from cold. And this he comes to know when he himself did the same thing, and doctor told him what the quality of the mangoes of Hosahalli. Now the writer asks the reader to take a bite and confirm the soreness of the mango will be felt by them till the top of their head. Till top of their head in Sanskrit it is mentioned Brahmanand. This word Brahmanand. Clear? So anyways, just now he says not only the mangoes, everything in and around in this village is remarkable. It is wonderful. The creeper, another one, he's talking about the creeper. After mango, he talks about the creeper. First he talks about the karigadabu, second he talks about the mango, third he's talking about the creeper. So the creeper growing in the pond and his flowers are also special. One can serve an afternoon meal on its leaf. That means people used to take the leaves of a creeper and they eat food on it. So they do not use, they used to use only leaves of the creeper. So all you need to do is to grab 2 leaves, get 2 leaves, and when you are on your way pond to bath, then after bathing in the pond, get those leaves, and you need not to worry about your afternoon meal. So after speaking highly of his village, writer says that if anyone wishes to see or himself must contact him. So he will help them to reach there. Also he feels that that there is no better way to know a place than to visit. He said that once you visit to the village of the writer Hosahalli, then they would come to know much more interesting fact about it. Now writer comes to the main factor, that what he says, what I am going to tell you of something. So the priceless community. So he says that the narrator then brings about a comparison as to how the things were different 10 years ago with the recent one, when he wrote this story. So he said that when not many people knew or spoke English, neither did people send their children to big cities like Bangalore to study. So he says back then the only village accountant had the courage, he showed his courage to send his son to Bangalore. According to the author, those times were similar, but very simple. He justifies his claim by telling that incident where he was at Ramarau's house and they had just bought a bundle of firewood from an old lady. So Ramanan told her to come next morning, that as he did not have any change at the moment. The poor old lady did not know what change meant, and she went away whispering to herself. Neither did the narrator know its meaning, and it was only when he went to Ranga's house that he told him. So this incident is very interesting. What happens that when writer was at Ramarau's house, so Ramarau's house people, they bought some firewood from a old lady. उन्होंने एक बूढ़ी सी औरत से एक कुछ जो है लकड़ी जलाने के लिए जो लकड़ी ली थी, ठीक है, वो फायरवुड. अब then what happens, इसमें होता क्या है कि that the lady asks some money, ठीक है, उसको पैसा कहती है, ठीक है मुझे पैसा दे दो, ठीक है, तो वो पैसा देते हो, कहते अभी हमारे पास चेंज नहीं है. देखिए अब हिंदी सुनिए, अभी हमारे पास चेंज नहीं है, मैंने ये नहीं कहा अभी हमारे पास खुले नहीं है. इन अ सेम मैनर यहाँ पे ही कन्नड़ वर्ड में बोलते हैं, अभी हमारे पास, यहाँ तक कन्नड़ रहता है, चेंज इंग्लिश, फिर नहीं है, फिर कन्नड़. दैट मीन्स द वर्ड चेंज उसे समझ में नहीं आता है. शी विस्परिंग टू हरसेल्फ एंड शी वो कुछ बड़बड़ाते हुए चली जाती है. तो दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट कि अभी इंग्लिश लोगों को नहीं आती है, वो कहती पता नहीं क्या बोल दिया, क्या नहीं, हमें क्या मतलब है, अरे सीधा सीधा मुझे जो पैसा चाहिए वो दे देता, चला जाता. तो ये जो प्राइसलेस कम्युनिटी है, ये जो बात कर रहा है वो अपनी प्राइसलेस कम्युनिटी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वाज नॉट द, मैंने कि इतना तब फैला नहीं था, ठीक है. द प्राइसलेस कम्युनिटी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज वाज नॉट सो वाइड स्प्रेड इन आवर विलेज एज अ डिकेड अगो. That's why Ranga's homecoming was a great event. People rushed to his doorstep announcing the accountant's son has come. The boy who had gone to Bangalore for his studies is here, it seems. Come Ranga is here. Let's go and have a look. So, however, 10 years ago, English was not commonly spoken in this village. ज़्यादा बोलनी जाती थी पिछले 10 साल पहले. And when the villagers came to know Ranga, the accountant's son was coming home from Bangalore. जो Bangalore से आया था, everyone got very excited and rushed to his home to have a glance at him. Everyone wanted to see him. देखना चाहते थे कि कैसा है, क्योंकि जब विदेशों में लोग जाते हैं अर्लियर, तो their religion change, they change their lifestyle, they do not give respect to others. तो इस तरह का कुछ होता है. Wait for the next